Welcome to Best Choice. The best Wheelbarrow Tires is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for any gardening, landscaping, or DIY project, transforming a strenuous task into a manageable one with its ability to provide superior traction, stability, and load-bearing capacity, ensuring your wheelbarrow glides smoothly over various terrains, from soft soil and gravel to uneven slopes, thereby minimizing physical strain and maximizing efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who values productivity and ease of use in their outdoor endeavors. Number 5. Gorilla Cart's Heavy-Duty Poly Yard Dump Cart. Introducing the Gorilla Cart's Heavy-Duty Poly Yard Dump Cart. It's designed to make your toughest outdoor tasks easier than ever before. With a generous 6 cubic foot hauling capacity, it provides ample room for all your essentials. Transporting items to the beach, yard, or garden is now hassle-free. This cart features a maximum weight capacity of 1,200 pounds. Its large bed, measuring 40 inches long and 25.6 inches wide, can handle even your heaviest items. Constructed with a solid poly bed that resists rust and an innovative steel frame, it's built for long-lasting durability. Assembly is quick, and maneuverability is enhanced. Unloading has never been easier thanks to its patented quick-release dump mechanism. It provides a spacious and portable solution for all your hauling needs. Gorilla Carts has been a leader in outdoor tools for years. Trust in our innovative, reliable, and high-quality products to help you complete any task with confidence. What we like. This cart offers a massive hauling capacity, perfect for large projects. If you have a big yard or frequent heavy loads, its quick-release dump feature makes unloading a breeze. You should consider this if you need to move a lot of material efficiently. What people say. The tire is made of a durable rubber compound that resists punctures and tears. It features a deep tread pattern for excellent traction on various terrains. The pneumatic design provides a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing shocks effectively. Number 4. AR Pro 4.80 4.00 to 8 Flat Free Tire and Wheel. Tired of flat tires? Introducing our revolutionary flat-free tire, designed to keep you moving without interruption. It's the ultimate solution for your wheelbarrow needs. This 14.5-inch tire offers a versatile fit for a wide range of wheel sizes, from 13 to 16 inches. It's engineered to be a compatible replacement for common tire sizes, ensuring a seamless upgrade. Crafted from solid polyurethane foam, this tire provides the comfort of pneumatic tires without the hassle of flats. It's resistant to rot and deterioration, even when exposed to the elements. Designed to fit 5 8-inch axles with a 3-inch centered hub, it also includes an adapter kit with 3 4-inch ball bearings and nylon spacers. This allows for easy customization to fit different axle sizes and hub lengths. With a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds, you can haul heavy loads with peace of mind. Tackle any terrain, all year round, knowing your tire can handle the weight. Each package comes complete with everything you need, including ball bearings and nylon spacers. This ensures a hassle-free installation and a perfect fit for your application. What we like. Tired of flat tires? This solid polyurethane option provides the convenience of never going flat. If you're looking for a low-maintenance solution that fits most wheelbarrows and can handle various terrains, this is the one for you. What people say. The tire is a perfect fit for my wheelbarrow. It was easy to install and holds air well. The tread pattern provides good traction on various surfaces. Number 3. Universal Fit Flat Free Wheelbarrow Tire and Wheel Assembly. Say goodbye to the hassle of flat tires. This innovative wheelbarrow tire is designed to be completely flat-free, saving you time and effort. Enjoy unparalleled versatility. It's engineered to replace multiple tire sizes and fits most wheelbarrows and garden equipment, offering a truly universal solution. Crafted from solid polyurethane foam, this tire is built to last. Its non-marking and ribbed tread design ensures reliable performance on various surfaces. Getting it set up is a breeze. It comes with a centered hub and ball bearings, plus an adapter kit for easy fitting onto different axle sizes and hub lengths. Don't let its flat-free nature fool you. It boasts an impressive 300 pounds load capacity, making it perfect for your toughest hauling jobs. Upgrade your equipment with this reliable and robust wheelbarrow tire. It's the smart, long-term solution for all your hauling needs. What we like. This tire offers a universal fit and a flat-free design for ultimate convenience. If you value a non-marking, durable tire that can handle most wheelbarrow applications without worry of flats, this is a great choice for general yard work. What people say. The tire is a perfect fit for my wheelbarrow and it was easy to install. It holds air well and has good traction on uneven surfaces. The solid rubber construction means no more flats, which is a huge relief. Number 2. Rocky Mountain Goods 13 Replacement Wheelbarrow Wheel. Don't let a flat tire slow down your work. Our heavy-duty replacement wheel is designed to get your wheelbarrow rolling again. Crafted with a robust rubber exterior and a steel rim, this tire is built to withstand tough jobs. It features a tread grip pattern for reliable traction. This 13-inch pneumatic wheel is a perfect fit for most 4 cubic foot wheelbarrows. It's compatible with popular brands like Jackson, True Temper, Ames, and Ace. Equipped with a pneumatic ball bearing and an inner tube, it provides a smooth and effortless rolling experience. The 6-inch hub length ensures a secure fit. Replacing your old wheelbarrow wheel is simple. Get back to tackling your projects with a reliable and long-lasting solution. What we like. For those who prefer the traditional feel and shock absorption of an air-filled tire, this heavy-duty rubber option is ideal. If you own a 4 cubic foot wheelbarrow from popular brands like Jackson or True Temper and want a reliable replacement, this is a solid pick. What people say. The tire is designed to be flat-free, eliminating the need for air and preventing punctures. It features a durable construction that holds up well under heavy loads and rough terrain. The tread pattern provides excellent traction, making it easy to maneuver the wheelbarrow on various surfaces. Number 1. Marathon Replacement Wheelbarrow Wheel with Adapter Kit. Is your wheelbarrow's wheel constantly going flat? We have the perfect solution to get you back to work quickly and efficiently. This 13-inch wheel is designed to fit a wide range of wheelbarrows, including those with 4 cubic foot capacities. It's a direct replacement that ensures compatibility. The included adapter kit allows for easy installation on various hub lengths. Spacers are provided to ensure a perfect fit, no matter the size. Built with heavy-duty 5/8 nylon bearings set in black steel, this wheel is made for long-lasting durability. It's designed to withstand tough use. Featuring a pneumatic, tube-type tire with ribbed treads, it provides excellent traction on uneven ground. Navigate your yard or job site with confidence. With a high load rating of 300 pounds, this wheel can handle all your heavy tools and materials. Transporting supplies has never been easier or more reliable. What we like. This wheel provides a comfortable ride with its pneumatic design and excellent adaptability thanks to the included adapter kit. If you have a residential wheelbarrow and need a versatile replacement that can adjust at different hub lengths while offering good load support, this is a smart option. What people say. The tire is a direct fit for my wheelbarrow and was easy to install. It holds air well and has a good tread for traction on various surfaces. The pneumatic design provides a smoother ride and absorbs shocks effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.